Congratulations, candidate number 3 and 10.
Minor awards pa lang po yan. Wala pa ang ating major and the grand winner. Balikan mo, balikan.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Pwede picture mo ba sa mga bata? Candidate number 5, Danica